Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 30th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by about 6 points this morning. Right now, they're sitting at 25.72.5 per contract. So futures coming down a little bit. It looks like there is some geopolitical news out there. It looks like Robert Mueller has arrested, I guess, or called for Paul Manafort to turn himself in. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll see what comes of it. But in the meantime, we do have futures a little bit lower. Now, let's go to stocks in the news because that's where we're going to see our action today. First stock we're going to take a look at is MRK, which is Merck. You're going to see that this is trading at 55.97, down from 58.24. Now, Merck did report earnings last week. The earnings were a little bit on the weaker side, or I should say the reaction was. We're going to have gap levels for this ready to go right at the opening bell. So again, if you have the intraday stock chat room, come on over at 9 o'clock. You'll have that level posted up before the market even opens, right in the intraday stock chat room. Gap plays have been very, very successful this year, and we got about 4 more weeks of them to go. So, again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. Another one we're going to take a look at this morning is going to be General Motors. That is trading at $43.19 a share, closed at $44.64 on Friday. So you got a good little downtick here in General Motors. Again, when I look at this one right now off the opening, right off the bat here, I got to think that around 40 bucks, probably 39.50, 39.40. That's where this thing has a lot of support if it gets down there. I'm not sure it'll trade that low, but we'll have to wait and see. So again, this is down on a downgrade this morning. General Motors trading a bit lower. Let's take a look at Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD as it's called. This stock right now is trading at 11.37, closed at 11.84. I will have a level for this posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. So again, if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We got lots of plays out here this morning. Advanced Micro Devices trading down this morning, but I have a pretty good level for it. And again, hopefully that level will trigger right after the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Under Armour. This is downgraded as well this morning. This is trading at around $13.96, closed at $14.40. Trend just remains down on this stock. When you take a look here, you can even actually look at the A shares, which is UAA. You could just take a look here how the trend just continues to remain down. And this stock is really, really still very much in trouble. I wouldn't do much with it here at this stage of the game. Let it play itself out. We'll watch for pattern, but I'm not looking to do a whole lot with Under Armour at the moment. Here's another downgrade. Macy's, big retailer here, trading at 19.25, closed at 19.69 on Friday. Again, the trend on this thing is down as well. We'll take a look at it once the opening bell rings. There's not much I'm looking to do with it at the moment. Let's take a look at Cooper Tire. CTB is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $33.50, closed at $35.75. So this is a pretty good gap down lower. I'm going to have levels for this one also posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. So again, right off the bat, I do see a little bit of support around 32 and 32.30, 32.25, but the better level and the gap level will be a bit lower. So again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see exactly where we're going to look to play Cooper Tire. Let's take a look at LEN, LEN. It looks like they bought out a company today, or they're about to do a takeover. Stock is trading at $56. It did close at $58.01. So that's a good little haircut there for LEN. If by some chance LEN gets to around $51.50, that is going to be your spot to get into the name today. So again, keep that level on the radar. Company they are buying out is, the ticker symbol is CAA. This is I believe, yeah, here it is, Cal Atlantic Group. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading up at $49 a share, closed at $40.45. So if you own Cal Atlantic by some chance, and I don't, trail your stop loss or take your money off the table. But great trade there. Again, it is going to be bought out by LEN. I'm not sure the exact amount, but it is a takeover. So again, there you have it. That's what we're looking at. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is up 40 cents today, trading at $1,272.20 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that that is trading at around 120.77. down just a touch from the close at 120.90. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil is up 17 cents a barrel. Right now trading at 54.07. Crude had a big day on Friday. I happen to think crude is into real good resistance at the moment. So again, we'll see how it plays out today. If you take a look at the USO, which is good oil ETF, see that's trading up around 1086 this morning, closed at 1084 on Friday. So crude oil up a little bit, gold is up a touch, and we'll see how this market plays out. We've got lots of stocks in the news. Earnings will kick back into gear this afternoon, and again, we're going to have a big full week. We have lots of tech names on the radar this week. Apple is later this week, I believe Facebook as well. So again, get ready. It's going to be a pretty wild week with all the earnings announcements still yet to come. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and we will see you on the charts.